Hi College Weekly, I'm Alex.
And I'm Brooke.
This is the Beta Gamma chapter at Florida State University.
Welcome to our house.
This is our formal living room.
This is my favorite room in the house. This is where we do our reality TV club, our in-house Secret Santa.
Or even binge watch TV together.
This is our trophy room. It's where we have all of our awards from throughout the years. This past year, we actually won the best philanthropy program at FSU and the highest fundraising Zeta chapter in the nation.
A little more, so
This is our apparel team, Avery and Bella, the reason I have no money left.
Yeah, so we like to make all the merch, so we do these cute sweat sets, and we also do stuff for every single event we have.
This is our TV room where a lot of us like to chill and catch up on our shows.
And even hang out with my little. This is our house mom's office, Miss Miranda.
And the cutest part of the house, our house dog Maisie.
Don't judge, this is one of our seniors' favorite traditions to spray paint their name and their PC.
This is our dining room. We have lunch and dinner in here. Our in-house girls have breakfast, and on the weekends we have brunch. You've seen where we hang out, now you get to see where we live. We have about 50 girls who live here in different single, double, and triple rooms.
This is a perfect example of one of our triples. 3 people live here, and this is the awesome layout.
This is another example of one of our rooms. This is a double. Our beautiful house manager actually lives in here, and it's one of the cutest rooms in the house, in my opinion. And this is an example of a single.
Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm Zeta's former president, and welcome to the President Suite. Here's my getting ready area. I have my vanity, and if we go ahead into my living room over here, this is just a peaceful area in my room. This is my bedroom. This is usually a room for 2 people, but I was able to combine 2 twin beds, and now I have a king.
This is also our chapter room. We hang out a lot up here too and have in-house events. This is our tanning porch. It's a lot of our in-house girls' favorite spots to lay out and enjoy the weather together.
We hope you enjoyed the tour. Unfortunately, we have class to get to, so until next time, go Zeta and go Knowles.